Sustainability Mindset Eco Business Can 21 Tuesday 5-minute series challenge. In second Tuesday, we are going to explore why every business needs an urgent eco strategy in 2020. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, The Sustainability Mindset, and help this channel grow to reach many. Now let's get started. The key reason for an urgent eco strategy is purely business. Yes, you heard me right. There are lots of benefits of having an eco strategy, but in this video, I'm going to talk about the most important 5 benefits. The first benefit is attention grabbing. All around the world, pollution control, energy efficiency, and careful utilization of natural resources is gaining a lot of attention. To tell you the fact, the millennials aged 22 to 35 are more likely than any other generation to say that they would pay extra for eco-friendly or sustainable products. Not only that, IRI, a market research company, found that 50% of the consumer packaged goods growth from 2013 to 2018 came from sustainably marketed products. The study also found out that those products labeled sustainable or eco grabbed 5.6 times more customers' attention. The second benefit of having an eco strategy is mitigate risk. For many companies, most immediate environmental challenge involves how to manage pollution and waste. In past, inadequate risk management has led to more than just higher costs. Many have lost lives and some their entire career. Just ask Tony Hayward, an ex-CEO of BP who lost his job over the 2010 Gulf of Mexico oil spill, or ask Robert Eckert, the then CEO of Mattel, who knows this all really well. In 2007, one of the Mattel supplier in China was found to have painted the toys with lead paint that violated US law. The uproar that followed after this news became a PR disaster for Mattel. They had to recall over 21 million items including Barbie dolls, Polly Pockets and Fisher-Price infant toys at the cost of hundreds of millions of dollars. The CEO faced a congressional inquiry. Mattel stock fell 20% in 3 months and the company ended up paying $2.3 million in fine. This demonstrates the consequences of what happens when eco risks are mismanaged. However, with the eco strategy in hand, business will identify and reduce environmental and regulatory risk, not only within their own operating company, but across entire value chain, thereby reducing liability, avoiding cost, and increasing speed to the market. The third benefit of having an eco strategy is cost cutting. Cost cutting is the ongoing pursuit of every business, and we all know that. But by adding a sustainability focus to corporate strategy, one could see numerous ways to cut waste and inefficiency, hence save money. To give you an example, Adobe Systems during renovation of its headquarters decided to focus on improving just one simple sustainable strategy, that is energy efficiency, and observed an 121% return on investment as they saw a huge drop in their energy requirement. This was just one strategy. Imagine the return on investment if a well-designed, energy-efficient initiative is explored by considering energy conservation, water consumption, and resource utilization across all activities. The fourth benefit of having an eco strategy is building brand value. Today, the market value of a company goes beyond the numbers presented in financial statements. Many factors shape a company's value and its prospect for marketplace success. That includes intangible elements such as brand loyalty, corporate reputation, and workforce morale. Focusing your business strategy environmentally helps create brand stickiness. This is an ability to attract new customers as well as retaining the existing one, because in this world where a growing segment of public wants to buy products which are environmentally attribute but does not want to spend time researching who is green. The fifth benefit of having an eco strategy is increased employee productivity. In many industries, particularly those where knowledge workers are critical, a commitment to an environment has emerged as a highly valuable element of a company's corporate culture that contributes in a major way to recruiting and retaining of top quality employees. Businesses that have built environmental values into their corporate culture not only find it easier to attract and retain the best worker, but they enjoy greater employee productivity as well. So these were the 5 most valuable benefits EcoStrategy provides to a business in this changing world. In the next video, I will be talking about 4 possible effects of Great Green Wave on your business. If you like the content, please stay tuned for more Eco Business Gyan. This is 21 Tuesday 5-minute series challenge. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Sustainability Mindset, and help this channel grow and reach many. See you next Tuesday. Until then, stay safe and healthy.